Hey, welcome to Sunshine Project Adventures. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm making avocado chocolate pudding. And so if you're new here, I'm Shantad. Hi, I'm also new, just starting out, just sharing some things going on around here, recipes, tips and tricks along the way to save money and to be healthy. I lost myself over 50, 60 pounds between 2022 and 2023, and I've kept it off. So I feel like I've finally found the things that work. So I'm going to share this recipe with you. It's super healthy: avocados, cacao powder, some maple syrup, and a little bit of milk, and that's all we need for this delicious pudding. Okay, so just quick. Avocados are healthy because they're healthy fat and fiber. Super good. Full of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds. They're nutrient packed. Okay, guys, like there's vitamin C, E, K, B2, B3, B5, B6, folate, magnesium, potassium, and copper. Oh my goodness. Goodness. All in avocados. Okay, so I had a whole bunch that went ripe. You know, they go ripe like yesterday, all at once. 6. Okay, so I put 6 avocados in there. I'm putting about a quarter cup of cacao powder. Now, what's cacao powder and why is that good? Okay, well, it's the same thing as cocoa powder, same plant, just way less processed. Lots of nutrients and antioxidants as well. Okay, so it reduces inflammation, improves the blood flow. And I forgot to mention avocado is known to reduce heart disease. Okay. Also going in here is half a cup of milk. You can use anything, but there's nothing else but milk. Milk, okay? Dairy milk, milk. And just saying, oat milk is not milk. Almond milk is not equal. Nowhere. Okay, now almost half a cup, but like more like a quarter cup between, I guess that's a third cup of maple syrup. You could put in a little vanilla if you want. And then all you do is like stir it up or blend it up. And I have no idea what's going to happen here, but let's find out. It's not plugged in. Hi. See this? It's different, right? The blender, let's face it, I usually do this in the food processor, but I broke my Ninja, so it's not working. So, we're just, and so it's kind of lumpy. So then I said, okay, submergible blender time so that we get smoother, less chunky. I'm just thinking a little bit of coffee in there and you got cafe mocha. Oh my goodness, it would be so good. Okay, here's what we got. Delicious pudding. Seriously, I don't feel guilty eating. Even if I ate all of this, I wouldn't feel guilty. I don't eat very often, like once a day, twice a day max. It's part of the fasting and intermittent fasting that I do, but I would have no problem eating all of this because everything that's in here is absolutely good for us, including the maple syrup. So I sweeten everything with maple syrup or raw unpasteurized honey. That's how I sweeten things. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you soon.